lagi tayong may giniling sa bahay kasi it's one of the most convenient source of protein na magkaroon tayo. Pwedeng baka, pwedeng baboy, pwedeng manok. But today, we are making something different. Mag-eksperimento tayo at excited ako dito dahil pati ako, hindi ko na-try. So, we are making pork giniling kare-kare. So, eto, let's start cooking. I've heated up my cast iron pot and I have here my giniling to be the base of this recipe. Ang uunahin ko dito to bring out the flavor of our pork is I will add my pork into the hot cast iron. No? You hear the sizzle? Ito mga half a kilo to. So we want to sear this. Pero ano yung problema natin when we try to sear this? Tama naman yung mainit yung aking pan, but because medyo watery yung ating pork, what is going to happen? As I try to sear this, magtutubig siya, and instead of searing, it will stew. So ito, my secret and my technique to achieve that sear is to add flour. So around 4 tablespoons of flour. And ito na rin yung maging thickener natin sa ating kare-kare later on. And ito siya, sort of mag-absorb ng moisture yung ating flour. And ang fat ng ating baboy, magre-render siya little by little. So as we cook this, magre-render yung taba, lalabas yung mantika, then magsisir, then magba-brown ng konti. So we want that browning para magkaroon ng flavor, no, complexity yung ating ginagawang kare-kare giniling. And to this, what I will do, I will also now add my garlic, sibuyas. So ito, magigisa na siya along with our pork. Nakikita natin yung brown, diba? Nagba-brown siya ng konti. Look at that. And now I will add my bagoong, no? So there's that complexity of flavors that are developed. So add it there. Our bagoong. So ito, palapit ng palapit na to sa ating bagoong and our pork and all that. And I'm adding my annatto oil, no? Kung walang annatto oil, pwede annatto powder. So for the color, annatto oil. And I will also season this a little bit with patis. So ito, sinisiguro natin yung ating pork may lasa. Mabango. And to this, I will now add my peanut butter. So very convenient, no? Yan. And medyo thick yung ating peanut butter. Depende sa trip mong peanut butter. Yan, no? So dissolve muna natin yung ating peanut. Now, I will add my water, no? Ating tubig dito will now dilute our mixture na may harina. Pero as this cooks, this will thicken. It's about time now that you scrape the bottom of the pan dahil nasa ilalim na yung very good flavor. So, huwag kang matakot, no, na masunog. Basta ang gamit mo, makapal na pan, just like this, or kahit anong gamit mo na makapal na pan para hindi masunog yung ilalim. Tignan nyo, medyo marami to. Kalahating kilo lang to ng giniling, oh. Pero that's beginning to become a lot. And pinahinaan ko yung heat ko. And lalagyan ko lang siya ng konting toyo for a little dark. So, depende naman kasi, ang kulay kasi ng kare-kare, depende sa anong nakasanayan nyo. Traditionally, wala naman siyang toyo, but I'm just adding to achieve the darker beef-like color ng beef kare-kare. And to finish the flavors of our kare-kare para mag-round off and para sumarap yung ating kare-kare, tamang linamnam, tamang meatiness, gagamit tayo ng Maggi Magic Sarap. And Maggi is made from real onions, real garlic, and real chicken. Kaya, pag tinikman mo yung luto sa Maggi, wala siyang distinct flavor. It just makes your dishes taste better. So, if you're enjoying this recipe, dahil alam niyo naman, nagtitipid tayo. Aminin, nagtitipid tayo. Very creative recipes that are very satisfying. Check out the Simple.ph YouTube channel at mag-subscribe na rin kayo. I will heat up my other pan, and as the sauce thickens, meron tayong gulay dito. May sitaw and may talong. So, pwede mo din tong lagyan ng kalabasa. Pwede mo din lagyan ng ano pa bang pwedeng gulay. Puso ng saging. Not too much. Pero gusto ko kasi maprito, matostado ng konti yung ating eggplant para magkaroon ng konting smokiness. No? Excited akong tumikim dito. Pwede mo to siya ilagay as topping or you can also mix it in to the stew. No? Ito, budburan din natin ng konting Maggi yung ating talong para maging malinamnam at masarap. No? So, toss. Then, itong gulay din natin, cut into small pieces. Idadagdag natin din dito. So, medyo nag-brown na yung ating talong. Parang feeling ko masarap to. Yan na. Oil. So, ito siya. Ginagawa mo, pag ayaw mong mapanis agad yung luto mo, gagawin mo, isa-separate mo yung gulay. So, again, sitaw. Then, budburan din natin ng ating magic. Yan. Ating sitaw is done. So, ito, yung gagawin ko dito, half ko siya, ha? Half ko dito, gigisa ako ng konti for my garnish. But, yung stalks ko, yung gagawin ko dito sa stalks, ay ihahalo ko na dito sa aking kare-kare sauce. Ito naman, konting Maggi. Bring out the flavor. Huwag tayong maglagay ng matabang na element. I will just add half konti dito. I-add ko na sa aking ulam. No? Mag-iwan ako ng konti pang garnish. And talong. Yan. So, ating petchay leaves, I will also put on the side because we are already done. So, tingnan mo, ang aking cast iron pan, kahit sabihin mong tapos na yung pagluluto ko, it continues to simmer. Look at that, no? Imagine mo, pwede pala giniling na kare-kare, but maya-maya, matitikman natin yung talagang finished product with the rice and the topping inside of bagoong. And eto na yung ating pork, giniling kare-kare. And add our garnish. So, meron tayong petchay leaves, which have been sauteed. Then, meron tayong talong. And our sitaw. Nagtitipid ka or nandadaya ka ng luto because it's very satisfying. Look at that. Pero, to know for sure na masarap to, kailangan ko ng hindi volunteer. Ang kailangan ko ay rice. I will serve myself, but I will put the rice aside. Para makatikim din kayo. Yan, no? And ito pala, lalagyan ko pala to ng fried garlic or crushed peanuts. And now, I will serve myself. Kung masarap, no? Tatakam ba kayo? Look at that, oh. So, more gulay. Gulay is life. And, meron akong sitaw. And, if you want, crushed peanuts. For me, gusto ko pa rin may bagoong. Pero, for sure, hindi na to kailangan ng bagoong. So, tikman ko muna without the bagoong. Pero, feeling ko, masarap to ihalo sa rice. Ganyan, no? A very simple recipe. Let's see if it works. Ating pork giniling kare-kare. Panalo! Kung natuwa kayo sa recipe natin ngayon, napakasarap. Subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. At ako'y kakain pa ng konti. And I proclaim this recipe a success. Ating pork giniling kare-kare. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.